Most paper airplane books are a total letdown. You spend 20 minutes folding, throw it, and it nosedives straight into the floor. It's frustrating. So I bought the top 5 most popular paper airplane books and spent a week folding and flying every single design to see which ones actually soar. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Klutz Paper Flying Dragons. First up, I grabbed the Klutz Paper Flying Dragons. The first thing I noticed was the paper quality. It's actually heavy cardstock, not flimsy notebook paper. That makes the folds feel permanent and satisfying. I built the Mountain Dragon, and frankly, I didn't expect it to fly well because of the odd shape, but it actually glided across my living room surprisingly smoothly. The book is packed with fun trivia and expert tips, which kept me entertained even when I wasn't folding. Plus, the steampunk robo-dragon you can customize is a cool bonus. My only gripe is that the cardstock is a bit tough for smaller hands to crease, but the durability is worth it. If you have a kid who loves fantasy more than aerodynamics, this is the one to get. It's more of a toy than just a plane. Speaking of variety. Product number 2, Publications International Activity Books. Speaking of variety, I looked at this collection from Publications International. Now, these guys are known for their brain games and sticker books, and you can feel that influence here. It feels less like an engineering manual and more like a fun activity pad to kill time on a rainy afternoon. The pages are colorful, and the instructions are straightforward enough for a beginner. I noticed it focuses heavily on the relaxation aspect, just folding and zoning out rather than trying to break world records. While the planes flew okay, they weren't breaking any distance records during my tests. However, the designs are engaging and it fits right in with their other puzzle and coloring books. If you just want something simple to de-stress or keep the kids busy without getting too technical, this is a solid budget-friendly option. But if you actually want to win competitions. Product number 3, the New World Champion Paper Airplane Book. But if you actually want to win competitions, you need the New World Champion Paper Airplane Book by John Collins. When I opened this, I realized it's not just a toy book, it's a flight manual. It includes the instructions for Susan, the plane that literally broke the world record. I spent some time reading the flight theory section, and it completely changed how I throw. I folded the Starfighter, the one from the Paper Planes movie, and the difference in performance was instant. It cuts through the air like a knife. The tear-out models are printed on regulation weight paper, which feels very professional. If you are serious about aerodynamics or want to impress your friends with a plane that flies over 200 feet, this is the only book you should look at. However, maybe you prefer spaceships over record breakers. Product number 4, Klutz Star Wars Folded Flyers. However, maybe you prefer spaceships over record breakers, so I picked up the Klutz Star Wars Folded Flyers. Holding this book, the print quality is fantastic. The papers look exactly like the hulls of X-Wings and TIE fighters. I was worried they would just look cool but fall like rocks. I was wrong. I folded the Millennium Falcon, and while it's a bit tricky to align the heavy paper, it actually flew. The step-by-step instructions are clear, which is crucial because these are complex shapes. You get 5 of each model, so if you mess one up, it's not a big deal. The detail on the Jedi Starfighter is impressive. If you are a Star Wars fan, this is a no-brainer. It doubles as a collectible fleet you can display on a shelf. But if you just want a massive amount of paper to practice with. Product number 5, 100 paper airplanes to fold and fly. But if you just want a massive amount of paper to practice with, check out the 100 paper airplanes to fold and fly. This thing is a brick. You get 100 colorful sheets with everything from camouflage to sci-fi themes. My favorite part was the included sticker sheet. Adding eyes and racing stripes made the basic darts look way cooler. I tested the stunt planes section, and they actually did some decent loops in the hallway. It covers everything: gliders, jets, even UFOs. The 36-page booklet teaches you basic aerodynamics, but honestly the main draw here is the sheer volume of paper. You can mess up 20 times and still have plenty left. If you need a gift for a birthday party or a classroom activity where quantity matters, this is the best value pack. You'll never run out of ammo. Whether you want to fold a dragon, a TIE fighter, or a world record breaker, one of these books will get you flying. I've dropped links to all 5 down in the description so you can check the current prices and grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching and happy flying.